Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Chorito Albiti. I am 40 years old. I am a single mother. I have two children. Their age is 20 and 18. I am a high school graduate. I want to work in Hong Kong because of much higher salary given to domestic helper. This way, I can better help my family in the Philippines. I am an ex-abroad in Kuwait, Saudi, and Qatar. My skills are to taking care of the baby, children, and elderly, cleaning the house, and cooking food. I finished my 4 years contract in Kuwait. My work there is to cleaning the house, laundry, iron, washing the dishes, and to taking care of the children. I finished my 3 years contract in Saudi Arabia. My work there is to taking care of a cancer patient. She is 67 years old, cleaning the house and cooking food. I finished also my 2 years contract in Qatar. My work there is to taking care of a disabled man. He is 33 years old, cleaning the house, iron and laundry, and cooking food. To my future employer, please choose me as your domestic helper. I promise that I will do my duties and responsibilities and I will follow the rules and regulation. Thank you.